Today's Sunday, the 11th of June. Beautiful day out on the island. It's quite windy. Sitting under the porch right now. Well, it's not whitecaps. The wind has been kicking up quite a bit. The wind helped while I blew. Here it comes. I don't know if you can hear it, but anyway, the wind's blowing the right direction. It blew some leaves today. Came out good. Got a new old ladder. Someone was just throwing that out. Can you believe it? It'll work. Beautiful sunny day. No clouds. That's what we like. See what the temperature is in the shade. Looks to be about, I don't know, 85, 83, somewhere in there. Just nice out. Thanks for watching.